Hello, third grade, and welcome to reading for today. For the next couple of weeks, we're going to be looking at fact and opinion. Now, by the end of these 3 weeks, you will be able to identify a fact to support your evidence in a text. You'll also be able to use an author's opinion to support your answer. This will help us even more when we start learning about persuasive writing. Well, first thing we have to know is what is a fact and what is an opinion. So a fact is a statement that can be proven true or false. We'll look at some examples of that soon. Sometimes you will have to give a fact, an answer that you can prove in math. An opinion is how someone feels about something or someone. How they think or feel about something or someone. Now, maybe you've heard these before, but in third grade, we use facts and opinions to help us support our evidence. Now, there are actually true facts and false facts. So remember, facts are something that we can prove to be true or false. So if I told you the sky is blue, could you prove that the sky is blue? Yeah, you could go outside, point to the sky and say, yep, it is true. The sky is blue. I can see it with my eyes. That's how I know it's a fact. Now, just like you can prove that something's true, you can prove that something is false. So if I said, the sky is red, you could say, no, Miss Tingley. You could walk outside, you could point to the sky and say, look, the sky is blue. That is false. The sky is not red. So if you can prove it, then it is a fact. An opinion uses thoughts or feelings. Opinions can be different from different people. For example, I love the weather outside today. If I love it, someone else could hate it, right? They could have a different feeling. And I could not prove that. It is just a feeling. My sister is the best at volleyball. Now that's how I feel about my sister. Someone else might think she's not the best, or someone else is the best. That's an opinion. Our final example, I think homework is fun. That's your opinion of homework. Maybe someone else thinks it is not fun. Today in our activity, we are going to be identifying facts and opinions. There's this super cool new tool that we get to use on Class Kick this week, and that is a drag and drop. Now, when we take iLearn and iRead, you might have some assessments that'll ask you to grab or drag and drop. So what you're going to have to do is you take one of these and you're going to put them underneath the correct category. We'll do a couple of these together and the rest you will do on your own. It gives you a little clue at the top to help you remember what a fact and opinion are. I'm always going to ask myself, can I prove it if it's a fact? And I'll ask myself, is it a feeling or a thought for an opinion? All right, let's look at the first one. No two snowflakes are alike. Is that a fact or an opinion? That's a fact. I could look at a bunch of snowflakes or do research on snowflakes and see that they are all different. I could prove that they are, and this could be false too. Maybe they're not all the same. It doesn't have to be true. It could be a false fact. Ice skating is fun. Well, fun is going to be a feeling if they think it's fun. Some people might not think it's fun. So that would be an opinion. Do one more together, and then you'll do the rest on your own. Blizzards are snowstorms with high winds. Could I prove that? Yeah, I could look in a book, or I could do research on blizzards and see that they are storms with high winds, so that is a fact. Once you are finished deciding what is a fact and what's an opinion, you can move on to the next activities for today. If there are any videos along the way, make sure you listen to them all. I will see you in the next video.